Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to recover your Snapchat streaks. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Snapchat sometimes has bugs, or you miss that kind of deadline to snap somebody within 24 hours, and you miss that streak or that streak goes away. But there's a way to recover the streak if you want to get it back, and I'll show you how to do that now. So I'm on Snapchat. I will tap my profile icon at the top left here, and then the settings at the top right. And then if I scroll down here, it says I need help under support. You'll tap that. And then at the very top, I'm just going to type in snap streaks. So you can just type it in and they'll bring you right to the snap matrix page. If you scroll down to the bottom right under this question, it says if you feel there was an error, please let us know. And it says, what if my Snapchat streaks? What if my snap streaks has gone away? But I know that I've sent a snap, not chat back and forth within the last 24 hours. So it says if that was an error, let us know. You tap on that, and then again, you'll just find that my snap streaks disappeared. And then it will pop up with a little form that you can fill out. So this form, it auto-populates your username, your email. You want to include your phone number, the device that you're using, your friend's username that you lost, the snap tree, that snap streak with that you want to recover it. When did you start having this issue? How long was your snap streak before it expired? Did you see the little hourglass icon you can choose? Yes, of course. There or no if you didn't. And then you can go to what information should we know. So this is where you want to kind of be as specific as possible. Let them know, to the closest amount what you thought your snap streak was before you lost it. And then going through all these steps in a day or two, they'll get back to you and they'll recover that snap streak for you. Hope this helps. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments below. Make sure to subscribe. Thanks.